Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your ClickFunnels account, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To verify your ClickFunnels account, start by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the ClickFunnels login page. Enter your email address and password in the respective fields. Click the login button to access your account. Once logged in, look for a notification or prompt related to verification. If no prompt appears, check your email inbox for a verification email from ClickFunnels. Open the email and locate the verification link inside. Click on the verification link to confirm your account. If the link does not work, return to your ClickFunnels account. You may need to request a new verification email. To do this, navigate to the account settings or look for an option to resend the verification email. Once you receive the new email, repeat the process of clicking the verification link. After verification, return to your ClickFunnels dashboard. You should now see confirmation that your account is successfully verified. If you encounter any issues, check your spam or junk folder for the verification email. Contact ClickFunnels support for further assistance if needed. Congratulations, your ClickFunnels account is now verified and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.